Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Lovalistic Living, and in today's video I wanted to share with you my veggie bunny recipe. We are approaching Easter, and so I thought this is a great activity for the kids, and I'm sure like you guys would love to do this with your family, and plus it gives them a chance to make them themselves and also enjoy vegetables. This recipe is purely vegetable focused and fun focused. So I hope you like it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. To start, you're going to take a wheel of butternut squash. I'm showing two because the recipe will be for 2 bunnies, but you can start with 1. Peel it and bake it at a 400 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until tender. This will be the base for your veggie bunny. Then you're going to put the white cream cheese into a zipper bag, cut off the end, and this is going to be your piping bag. Squirt out a tiny bit to where the eyes would go, then top with ground radish, squeeze a little bit more, and then you're going to top it with cucumber. And then you're going to squeeze a tiny dot for the raisin to go and make the eyes of the bunny. Then squeeze a little bit more where the nose would go and put on 3 to 4 chive whiskers. I didn't have chives, but you can use herbs from the garden or simple grass from the garden. And then you're going to put a little tiny dot, and you're gonna put on top half of a cherry tomato. Then we're gonna cut long pieces of cucumber, and at the very bottom you're gonna cut half moon so you can place it right on top of the head of the bunny. Then you're gonna take 2 small peeled carrots, and you're gonna place them on either side of the veggie bunny's head and top it with broccoli floret. There it is. Enjoy it.